Have you ever wondered what you'd look like as a talking baby? Well, today I'm going to show you a hilarious and creative AI workflow that turns this into this. Hey everyone, my name is David Basulto. I teach parents, teachers, and students how to use AI effectively. So subscribe to my channel if this interests you. Thank you. So first, you're going to snap a photo of yourself. Nothing fancy, just a clear front-facing shot. You can do it right on your iPhone or your iPad. Next, we're going to open up ChatGPT, and I'm going to upload my photo and give it a prompt. So you can see I did it here. And to upload a photo, for those that don't know, down here in your prompt area, there's a plus button. And if you click on it, it says upload file, upload photo. I just always go to upload file because it's a file still. So I've uploaded my image up here. You can see my photo. And then I gave it a prompt, create image, turn me into a baby in a podcast studio. And in a few seconds, it created this first image, which I thought was pretty funny. And it kind of does look like me, which is weird. But this is more of like I don't know, like a caricature or something like that. So I realized I needed to change the prompt a little bit. So the next one, I said, create image, turn me into a baby in a podcast studio, but I added photorealistic at the end of it. And this is what I got. I'll double click on it and you can see much more photorealistic. Now I'm going to take that image and I'm going to go over to Dreamina. So Dreamina is part of the CapCut family and it does a great job with lip sync. So I really love this. It's really inexpensive. I'll put some notes in the description of pricing and all of that, but I really recommend it and it's free to try. So why not make a couple of baby videos? So in Dreamina, I'm going to go down to the left side and I'm going to look for lip sync. I'm going to click on that once. Now up here, it says import character image. It does have a 20 megabyte file upload max. So make sure your photos aren't from a giant DSLR or something like that. You're going to click here to import it. I'm going to upload it here. And then there's my original photo, which is uploading now. Next, you're going to go to the audio area and you can actually type anything you want, but I want to upload my personal audio so it sounds like me. So I just use the recorder app on the iPhone to just say whatever I wanted. And I upload here, click on that, upload, and then here's the file right here. Now, a side note, it cannot be more than 15 seconds long. So if you're going to do a big baby video, you want a bunch of stuff, it's going to be cut up into chunks like that for now. So I clicked on that. It's uploaded right there. There's no error messages that it's longer than 15 seconds, which I had happened before. And all I have to do next is generate. So you start out with, I think, 150 or 100 free credits. And this one's going to take 60. So I think you get like 2 free baby videos you can make before it starts to get where you have to pay for it. So I actually upgraded it because we're going to, in my classroom, do the final episode of our news team for the year. We're going to do it all as babies. So I'm excited to see, and you can see some of my students up here. We've already started making them into babies right there. So once you click update, it's going to create the baby video and you're going to have an amazing little fun video to use on any of your channels, your social media, whatever. You be as creative as possible. Try it out and let me know how your baby clone turns out. Do you want a full prompt list and app links? They're all in the description. And hey, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your AI-loving friends. I'll see you in the next video.